Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. So, dear viewer, we will be creating Hello World application with Spring Boot JDK 17 and we will be using IDE Integrated Development Environment VS Code. We will be using start.spring.io from where we can just configure, we can select all these configuration. Okay guys, so it is our first step creating application because we will be using this application, this program throughout our DevOps tutorial. So let's start as we have decided to go with Java and using Spring Framework, and I'm going to choose Maven for dependency. What is Maven? Actually, it will help us to we can just mention what dependency library we use to integrate and use in our application we just mentioned here. And it's Maven responsibility to download from the web into our local machine, and later on it will be using for that. And when we start building our application, after compile we will build, it will automatically include those dependency required for that project to run anywhere. And for Spring Boot you can choose any version, so I am going to choose this one 3.3.5. Okay, and this is the latest one, and after this we also have 3.4 snapshot, but I'm going to use because this is the stable version. uh, let's name it group com.devops makes the service dot devops. Okay, and it's a demo application, name also demo, a demo project for Spring Boot using in DevOps tutorial, right? And then we'll be having like path here, you can see. So it will the packaging. So we can also go with var and jar. It's a jar Java archive and it's a web archive. Actually, uh, Spring also provide embedded Tomcat to start web application, and we can use var when we have web development. So we are going to just simple application, and I will be selecting jar, and here you can see which JDK we are going to select. It's 23, 21 and 17. So I will be going with 17. Actually these are long term support JDK. Okay, so for dependency, let's see what dependency you need. You can just add web, Spring Web, because we will be just using um, any API call from the web. Okay, so let's generate. Here you can see it will generate our demo application. Okay, it is created, and let me go into download. Here is download, and I will extract it to demo. Yeah, you can see here is demo, and I will open it to code.v code dot. So here you can see, okay, I trust the author, and let me show you the structure and application. Here you can see we have demo application, and you can see Maxi service DevOps demo. We have set it group and artifact, and here is POM. In POM, whatever you need, you can just include your dependency. Here you can see I have selected web, Spring Web, and it is automatically included. And it's going to download. Here you can see as well. Okay, you can see here it is going to download from the web. Okay, and also you can see here also we have resource folder, like for properties we can just mention database connectivity and other like text translations. Okay, so we can also include static content like images, any other things to be built and embedded this var, so that we cannot use another URL to be accessed from another server or resource. So let me run this example and see what happened. Here is main, and we can just run example from here as well. Okay, actually enable actuator. It is stopping me from, yeah, now it is running. It is stopping. Let me stop it from antivirus, because I have to configure PowerShell to allow this antivirus. So here guys you can see it is being run, and yeah, now it is running. Okay, so how we can check that this application is running, and how we can test? So let's see, let go and see what Spring allow us to, if there is any helping material. Spring.io. Okay, if I go to okay, quick start. Here the guides I have followed, and add your code. I'm going to copy, and just I need to place this one. Let me copy and place and see how it is working. First thing we need to check with the okay, we have to fix this, and you can see here, and what is saying, okay, just because we have worked with Maven and we don't need to run this command, we just we will run the application as here you can see. Failed, web server failed to start is already used. Okay, so let me add another port, server dot port, and I am going to add 8081. Okay, because there might be another application running on the same port, and now I'm going to run again. Okay, great. Ooh, it is running on the new port, and let me check either it is. lo- local host hello. hmm Hello. As we have main, yeah, here you can see. Yeah, you can see here it is working with this URL. If I go and paste it on the browser, great. You can see here it is hello world. Just to make sure that it is working 100%, I can say hello new world. Okay, and just I will refresh the browser. Okay, I have to actually rebuild the application. I just press Control C to stop this, and I'm going to run it again. Now, if we check it again, hello new world. So you can see this change. Okay, so let's see. We have covered 2 points. One is program language, and other is operating system. We are using Windows. You just need IDE, integrated development environment. I have used VS Code, and you can also use IntelliJ or Eclipse, NetBeans, whatever you prefer. So, dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed a lot. It is very simple. You just provide configuration according to your need, and just you have created a web application with the hello world example from browser. Just you can call servlet HTTP hit, and then you can get respond in the browser. So I will explain in further in detail how all these are things are working. So let's cover all of the rest of the things in next session. Thank you.